Queen of Scots was a monarch whose life was marked by power struggles and heartbreak. Crowned at just 6 days old, she faced political intrigue and personal tragedies that shaped her destiny. In her youth, Mary was married off to secure alliances, but her romantic choices led to scandal and conflict that would ultimately change the course of her reign. As political rivalries intensified, Mary found herself imprisoned for years, contemplating her reign and the sacrifices she made for love and loyalty. Ultimately, Mary faced a tragic demise executed in a moment that marked not just the end of her life, but the closing chapter of a tumultuous era in Scottish history. Mary's legacy lived on, inspiring generations with her tale of love, betrayal, and resilience, ensuring that the echoes of her tragic life would not be forgotten. Despite her trials and tribulations, Mary remained a figure of beauty and grace, her life story woven into the very fabric of Scotland's history, inspiring countless tales and legends.